Part 2 of Weird Scientific Theories with Jess. I don't know if they're theories or not, they're just my theories. These are all my original ideas. I mean, somebody else probably has thoughts like this before, but these are my, ideas that I came up with in my head. I didn't really research them. So, and I am 16, so I did not have a PhD in physics, so yeah. Think of that before you judge. But this actually is probably my weirdest theory. I mean, the first one was pretty weird, but I honestly, I do believe in my theories. But I actually thought about this a really long time ago, and I recently thought of it again when I was in chemistry the other day. But I think that, okay, atoms, I'm just going to give you an example here to show you how small atoms are. One little tiny grain of salt, one square cube of salt, NaCl, as 1 million by 1 million. That's like the ratio of the square is 1 million by 1 million. Like, that is how many atoms are in one, grain of salt. I think. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but whatever. Atoms are really small. Like another thing is 1 mole of, 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, which I will show you what that number looks like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That right there is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. It's a huge ass number. But that is how many atoms are in 1 mole. And a mole is a measurement of a chemical substance, which 1 mole of water is probably just this much. So there's, well, I don't even know how to say the number, 6.2 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in that amount of water. So that's how small atoms are. And because atoms are so small, we can't see atoms. We can't see, there could be some amazing thing in atoms. We have a pretty good idea of what's in atoms, like protons, neutrons, electrons, all that shit. But you can't really see what exactly is going on in atoms. I'm getting ahead of myself. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's called I don't want to say this wrong. I don't remember. Something particles, something. But electrons, they actually are both an energy and a particle, and there's actually been studies done that say that they can choose whether or not they want to act as a particle or an energy whenever they want. They can literally choose it. That is like saying that my chair decides what it wants to do. If my chair wants to be happy or sad, it's the same thing. It's weird to think that electron can make its own decision like that. And so because of that, because they can make their own decision in a way, I don't know how to explain this. This is really difficult. Okay. Atoms make up everything. They make up everything, and they have their own behaviors and stuff like that, and they all behave differently, and they act certain ways. And they build up us. Atoms are what create every single thing in this world. Everything is made of atoms. And so I was thinking you're thinking in an extremely large scale. Maybe our world, we're all like atoms. Maybe we all make up a bigger world. Atoms make up us, and then we make up something else. And it honestly, I don't know how I'm explaining this right or not, but the way it sounds in my head is insane. I can't even find the words to say what I'm trying to say, because it's honestly mind-blowing. That's why, if you think of things that deeply, it's insane. all the possibilities, like the stuff we don't know about science. We don't know a lot about science and math and physics and anything really. It's just, it's insane, all the possibilities that lie like beyond Earth. Like, it's crazy. Even within our Earth, we don't know a lot. It's crazy. Um, I I think that we honestly, it would be extremely just stupid. I mean, I don't like using that word, but it's stupid that we would think that we are alone in this world. This universe is huge. There are trillions of stars, and each one of those trillions of stars that we can just see in our universe, I mean, our galaxy, trillions of stars in our galaxy, and each one of those stars is a sun.